Flying cars and drones. Both are futuristic technologies that have captured our imagination. But what's the difference between the two? Welcome to our video on flying cars versus drones. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between these two technologies and discuss their potential uses in the future. Let's start with the basics. Flying cars are large vehicles that use powerful engines to lift off the ground and fly through the air. They're designed to carry people and cargo, just like regular cars. However, unlike regular cars, they can take off and land vertically and do not require a runway. Flying cars are still a relatively new technology, and only a few prototypes have been developed so far. They are much larger and heavier than drones, which make them more difficult to maneuver and control. However, this also means that they can carry more weight and transport more people than drones. Flying cars have long been a staple of science fiction. While they might have seemed like a distant dream only a few decades ago, significant advancements in technology have brought them closer to reality. The concept of a flying car is relatively straightforward. It's a car that can take off and land like airplanes, but the implementation of this idea is incredibly complicated. The main issue with flying cars is that they require a lot of power to get off the ground. Unlike airplanes, which have long wings that generate lift, flying cars must use powerful engines to lift off the ground. This means that they need more fuel than traditional cars or airplanes. Another issue with flying cars is their size. Flying cars are much larger than drones, which makes them more difficult to maneuver and control. They are also much heavier, which means that they need even more power to get off the ground. Despite these challenges, significant progress has been made in the development of flying cars in recent years. Several prototypes have been developed, including the Aero Mobile and the PAL V Liberty. These flying cars are designed to be road legal and can be driven on regular roads. When it's time to take off, they can convert into an airplane and take off vertically. The potential uses of flying cars are vast. One of the most obvious benefits of flying cars is that they could significantly reduce traffic congestion. With flying cars, people could travel through the air instead of being stuck in traffic. This could make commuting faster and more convenient. Flying cars could also be used for emergency medical services. In an emergency, a flying car could transport patients to the hospital much faster than an ambulance could. They could also be used for disaster relief, military transport, and even for personal travel. Drones, on the other hand, are much more established technology. While they might not be as exciting as flying cars, they have become increasingly popular in recent years. Drones are small, unmanned aerial vehicles that can be controlled remotely or by autonomous software. They are used for a variety of purposes, from aerial photography to search and rescue missions. One of the main advantages of drones is their size. Drones are much smaller and more nimble than flying cars. This makes them ideal for tasks that require precision and agility, such as inspecting power lines or surveying crops. Drones are also relatively cheap and easy to manufacture, which means that they are becoming increasingly popular for commercial and recreational use. The main disadvantage of drones is that they have a limited range. Most drones can only fly for about 20 to 30 minutes before they need to be recharged or have their batteries replaced. This means they are not well suited for long-distance travel or transportation of large objects. However, advances in battery technology are constantly improving the range and endurance of drones. Drones also have the potential for misuse, such as invading privacy or being used for illegal activities. This has led to increasing regulations and restrictions on their use in many countries. Despite these challenges, drones have a wide range of potential uses. In addition to aerial photography and surveying, they can be used for agriculture, search and rescue missions, delivery services, and even for entertainment purposes, such as drone racing. In conclusion, while flying cars and drones are both futuristic technologies that have captured our imagination, they have very different capabilities and potential uses. Flying cars have the potential to revolutionize transportation and significantly reduce traffic congestion, but are still in the early stages of development and face significant technical and regulatory challenges. Drones, on the other hand, are a more established technology with a wide range of potential uses, but are limited by their size and range. As technology continues to advance, it will be interesting to see how these two technologies evolve and how they will shape our future. If you all are looking to upgrade your wheels, make sure to use the code in the description to get $25 off your next set of 4 wheels from OE Wheels. They have been providing quality wheels and tires since 2001, while continuing to embrace the innovations of technology. You'll thank me later. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to check out our video on the business of flying cars. Who will build them? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content on the latest trends in the automotive industry. See you next time.